So this was a question asked in 2002 in engineering service examination. So it's a theoretical question. Question A: straight bar is fixed at edges A and B. Is the elastic modulus is given as E and cross section is A. There is a load 120 Newton acting at C. The reaction at the ends are. So by considering equilibrium equation, we get only one force equation, but there are two unknowns: reaction at A and reaction at B. In such condition, we can apply constraint equation that total elongation of the rod will be 0 because it is fixed at two rigid supports. So we can utilize that one more equation now to solve this problem. I just assume Ra reaction is in this direction and Rb is in this kind of direction. While writing the equilibrium equation for any section, take this section. Okay, any section, the net force acting at that point should be 0 for the static equilibrium. Therefore, we can write that Ra plus P is equal to Rb. Second equation that can be obtained from the constraint, it's constraint between A and B. Therefore, the total elongation will be 0. So we can say delta will be goes to 0. Delta net value. So in order to find out that, we have to make this problem, make this figure into two sections. That section at the point where internal force 120 Newton is acting. So while analyzing the left hand side and right hand side, the left hand side is purely with the reaction Ra, while coming to the right hand side, it is a sum of P and Rb. So we can break this problem into two portions. So this will be the condition: the section left hand side will be acted upon by the compressive force Ra, while in the right hand side, which is acted upon by another compressive force, that is Rap, which is acted upon by Rb, or Ra plus B value. Therefore, we can write the constraint equation, that is delta of LH plus delta of RH will goes to 0. So delta LH, that is the load Ra into length divided by AE, plus delta RH, that is the change in dimension for right hand side, that is given by Rb into 2L length divided by AE. The length of that section is 2L equal to 0. So I can replace with RAL by AE plus Rb can be replaced with Ra plus P from the equilibrium equation into 2L divided by AE. Excellent. So while rewriting this equation, we will get RAL divided by AE is equal to minus Ra plus P into 2L divided by AE value. So AE can cancel, LL will cancel. So we can say Ra equal to minus 2 Ra minus 2P value. So while bring the left hand side, we can say 3 Ra is equal to minus 2P. Definitely Ra will be equal to minus 2P divided by 3. Since P is 120, we can say Ra is equal to minus 80 Newton. Therefore, Rb will be equal to Ra plus P, which gives 40 Newton in the opposite direction. So these are the values of reaction at fixed points. So option D will be the correct answer. So this will be the option.